Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create one of YouTube logo. So step 1, select rectangle tool and make it shape like this. Then add one horizontal guideline and vertical guideline here and select all of that. Go to align section here, set middle, horizontal and vertical align center here. Okay, after that select polygonal tool, hold on alt shift key and make it like this. Then remove the sides so you can adjust on the left side here. Hold on shift key and rotate it. After that set corner radius a little bit rounded like this. Then select effect, warp and inflate and apply 10 pt here, make it okay. After that change the color something like this and make the color change, this one too, white here. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. So if you like, please support me.